Hi, dear. Good evening. A very warm welcome to all of you from Data Enchanters. In this session, we will talk about Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Training Program that we are going to start from 20th of December. And this program will be a 12 weeks long program. So in this session, we will talk about what all things we will cover in this training and how we will progress throughout this training. So before I walk you through the training program, I would like to give you a brief introduction about myself. I am a certified Six Sigma Black Belt with 23 years of experience in diverse field. I worked with companies like Genpact, IBM, Accenture, EXL, and currently I'm working with a leading construction giant based out of Saudi Arabia. Basically, I am a finance and accounting guy who has hands-on experience in project and process management, MIS reporting, process reengineering, training and coaching. I also played instrumental role in ISO implementation and auditing and CRM. I have worked across various industries, which include service providers, safety and security, insurance, hospitality, and as I mentioned currently, I'm working with a construction company. I have served in different roles and geographies such as UK, US, Canada, and Denmark. Now, let me walk you through what is the objective of this course. If we talk about the objective of this course, it is basically a complete journey how one can implement the DMAC methodology at a level of green belt in the field of Lean and Six Sigma, following the various methodology, tools, techniques of Lean and Six Sigma, and can do a green belt project. As I said, this course is spread over 12 weeks. Here you can see listing for the contents from week 1 through 10. But that's not all, because in the upcoming slides, you will come to know that what we will do in rest of the 2 weeks, that is week 11 and 12. So in week 1 and 2, we will be focusing on the first phase of DMAC methodology, that is define. We will be understanding how you can identify a project opportunity, how you can understand the voice of your customer, and how to create project charter and SIPOC diagrams. In week 3 and 4, we will be in major phase of the program. In that, we will talk about process mapping, value stream mapping, data collection techniques, and of course, we will have some practical exercise which will help you to identify and measure waste in construction processes. Week 5 and 6, we will cover the analyze phase of DMAC methodology, and we will discuss about root cause analysis tools like fishbone diagram and 5 whys. We will also understanding the data analysis techniques, including descriptive statistics and graphical analysis. In week 7 and 8, we will be focusing on improve phase, where you will generate and implement solutions using lean tools such as 5S, Kaizen, Kanban, and so on. We will also learn about pilot testing, risk assessment, and change management. In week 9 and 10, we will be focusing on control phase, focusing on sustaining the improvements through control chart, SOPs, visual managements, and other techniques. So by end of these 10 weeks of your learning, you will be well placed whereby you can lead a Six Sigma project, driving efficiency and quality improvements in your respective organizations or in your respective roles. Moving further, we will have considerable number of activities just to make sure that concepts, whatever we are discussing, you are well aware of all those concepts. You can actually, you are well equipped to implement those learnings in your day-to-day life or um, in your working life. So we will have some case studies followed by some class discussions or group discussions, and of course there will be some tests or assignments to gauge the level of your understanding so that we can identify that what are some of the areas where some more explanation or some more um, effort needs to be put in. If we talk about the scheme, how we will learn. So week 1 and 2, we will be talking about define phase. Week 3 and 4, measure phase. Week 5 and 6, we will be focusing on analyze phase. Week 7, 8, improve phase. Week 9 and 10, control phase and conclusion. As I said in the beginning, this is a 12-week program. So in last 2 weeks, what we will do is we will do a quick recap and revision of all the things that we have learn in last 10 weeks. Week 12 will just be for Q&A and your clarifying your doubts. And in week 13, we will do the final assessment and certification. So that's how we have planned out this 13-week program. Now, if we talk about timings, the timings would be every Friday, we will have live session of 2 hours every week. That is from 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Saudi Arabia time. Every Saturday, 1 hour from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. again Saudi Arabia time, we will have Q&A session. So whatever you have learned on Friday, the previous day, or on any of the during any of the previous classes, if you have any doubt, we will be there to clarify your doubts. Before I proceed further, let me show you the detailed course content. So if we talk about the detailed course content, this is what your course content is. So here we are saying day 1, which is week 1, and this week 1 will get divided into 2 parts of 2 hours each. So we have kind of put some timelines as well for each of the topics. So this is what we are going to cover. And I'm going to put this as PDF in the description of the video so that you can have a closer look to the course content. Now, what learning tools we are going to use? So the first one is recorded lessons. So here you may have a question that here I'm mentioning that we will have live sessions, and here I'm saying recorded session, recorded lectures or lessons. So what we are going to do is we will record your live session and we will upload it onto a platform from where you can access the live course, so that during the class, if you have some doubt, or you after class you realize that okay, this concept is not clear to me, you can go back and view the recordings so that you have ample opportunity to get your concepts clear, and you can watch these recorded lessons as many times as you want. Then we will be providing you some PDF notes. Along with the PDF notes, there would be assignment on a weekly basis to test your understanding so that we can figure out that, okay, whatever we have discussed during the session, is it clear to you, or it needs some more explanation or some more effort is required to clarify any of the concepts. And as I mentioned, every Saturday you will have a Q&A session. Moving further, If we talk about the course fee or how much this course will cost you, the value of course is 1200 Saudi riyals or 1200 Saudi riyals. But in this 1200 Saudi riyals, you will not only get this training of 12 weeks, but we are providing some bonuses, that is lifetime access to the course and its content. Remember, any body of knowledge is ever evolving. So whatever course, whatever contents uh, uh, we are providing to you at this juncture will keep on upgrading as we will progress, and we keep on updating our courses, and you will have access to these courses throughout your life. So if any update, any new knowledge is being added in the field of Lean and Six Sigma, you will find it there in your course content. Second is you will have live access to our lifetime access to our Q&A community. So in this community, we keep on getting questions from the students, and uh, our team provides response to those questions. So you may also have similar questions. So um, rather than you should not be wasting time to find out answer to those questions from different sources. You can simply go to the Q&A community. There you can find if that question is already been asked, what is the response, and if you have a unique question, a new question, post it there and we will respond to your questions. And this again is a lifetime access. The Q&A session, which I have mentioned on the previous slide, was for your course. Throughout the course, every week you will have that session, and even after that, for different batches, we keep on having similar Q&A sessions. So you will have access to those sessions also for next 52 weeks. So all these bonuses plus course is for 1200 SAR. But you will not have to pay that amount. The discounted price for this course is SAR 800. But as we are approaching the year end, so as year end discount or as year end scheme, we are providing you two more bonuses in addition to these three bonuses. And those two bonuses are access to 1000 plus PPTs and templates that you can use to create any type of presentation. And then we will be providing you free mentorship support for any green belt project or any yellow belt project that you would be doing in next 30 months. So these are the 5 bonuses, plus the price that we are offering to you now is not 1200 real or 800 real. The price that we are offering to you is only 500 reals. So a discount of more than 50%. To avail this discount, what you need to do is you just need to register now by paying just 200 reals. You may have a question that is my amount that I'm paying is safe or not, whether I will get the value for my money that I'm spending. Will my expectations be met or not? So need not to worry, my friends. You have 100% money back guarantee. That means if you pay Saudi riyals 200 today by STC pay on the number which is there on your screen, after that your slot is blocked, your seat is booked, your seat is confirmed, and you can attend 2 sessions of 2 hours each on 20th of March, 20th of December and 27th of December. So you need not to pay anything before end of this month. After attending two sessions, if you feel that no, my expectations are not getting met, I'm not getting the value for my money, or this course is not that what I was looking for, then you will get 100% of your money back without any question being asked. So it's a win-win situation for you. You are just making an upfront payment of 200 reals, blocking your seat at a discounted price of more than 50%. And if you don't like the course, you can step out at any point in time and get your full refund. So all you need to do is register before 18th of December 2024 just by paying 200 reals on the number which is shown on the screen by STC Pay, and we will see you in the course. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, the Data Enchanters team, and our email ID is connect@dataenchanters.com. Thank you.